Apollo Tools 18-piece garden set is the perfect companion for all your planting needs. The storage case is designed to keep all your tools neat and organized. It includes a careful selection of garden tools, such as a garden fork and a rake, a wide and a narrow trowel, 2 high-quality pruners, a handy weeder. We've also included a soft grip hose nozzle, quick hose connect, and a water splitter. Even a bulb planter. The tools are made of steel, plastic, and aluminum to resist corrosion. And all our garden tools come with a lifetime warranty. No more kneeling on pebbles. The soft core pad is easy on the knees and clothing. Did you know that Apollo Tools donates to breast cancer research with every pink tool purchase? The tools are easy to wipe clean. When you're done, everything fits neatly in the storage case until your next time in the garden.